5 signs of subsidence. Look out for horizontal or diagonal cracks in the walls, particularly around doors and windows. Look out for cracks appearing in ceilings, especially where they meet the walls. Be aware of noticeable cracks in the floor, especially in concrete or tiled surfaces. Look out for floors that slope or feel uneven, possibly indicating subsidence beneath. Look out for walls that visibly lean or tilt. If you notice any of these, your property could be subsiding, so give us a call before the damage is beyond repair. In lands where tremors subtly sway, subsidence whispers in the clay. Beneath our feet, the earth doth sigh, yet hope emerges 'neath the sky. Minds entwined with nature's plea, seek a path to set earth free. Through mindful care and wisdom's art, we mend the fractures, heal the heart. With trees as sentinels, roots that bind, a resilient pact with earth we find. In unity we stand, steadfast and true. Together we rise, a world renewed.